Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and today we are here again to make another video of descaling another coffee machine. So this one is Delonghi LaSpecialista, and before we have made a video on Nespresso, so I hope you will enjoy this one as well. So for this we are going to use this, which is Eco Decalc, and this is also from Delonghi. We got this with the machine. This is how the liquid looks like, and we are going to put this in here. So this is the water tank, and you see here, this is the sign of descaling liquid. So we have to add the whole liquid and it will be sufficient, and then we have to add water until this sign here, not full but only half. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so let's pour the liquid. Okay, and now we'll add water. Remember, we have to follow the sign. So until here. So this is around 1 liter water, and we'll put this in place. Okay, let's turn it on. Now this is ready, so we'll move this to the descaling setting, which is the last one here. You can, so here is the sign, yes, and here as well you can see this light that is blinking, which says we need to descale the machine. So we'll keep a container here for water, and we'll say okay. So you can hear the sound, and the water is dripping. So this will take some time until all the water, that is around 1 liter, the liquid water plus the descaling liquid, is out in this container. So it will take that much time, and it will rinse simultaneously, like it will throw water out of this which is for the foam or for milk, or and the other one where we get the coffee from. So now as you see, it's asking us to refill the water tank. That means the first part is over, and now we will add fresh water in the water tank. So I'll just throw away whatever is left, and I'll clean the water tank and add fresh water to it. So now here it is empty again. We'll fill this up until here now, the maximum sign, and then we'll fix it back, and there'll be another cycle. So here, this water, we'll throw this one now, and we'll keep the empty container back. Right, so this time we will not press OK, but we'll press this So this will run a rinse cycle. And this is the last step of descaling the machine, and after this you can start using it by adding fresh water back in the tank and coffee beans in the bean container, and then it will be ready to use. Alright, so you can see that this is almost full, and this cycle is faster, and this can be done anytime while you're even not descaling your machine. So just for a quick clean or to get better taste of your coffee, it's always important to keep your machine clean. So this cycle is over now, and you see the descaling sign that was blinking here is not there anymore. So we can move the or we can just change the setting to whatever you want, to Americano, your coffee, or espresso. And again, we'll just refill the water tank, we'll add the beans, and we can start enjoying the coffee. Because once the descaling sign is there, then it doesn't allow you to make any more coffee. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.